Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tron coin. Today I want to show you a powerful bullish reversal setup that the Tron has completed with the US dollar pair and with the Bitcoin pair as well. Against the US dollar, it has completed a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern, and with the Bitcoin pair, it has completed a harmonic bullish reversal shark move, and it has also formed a symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video we will discuss that whether the price action will break out this resistance of the triangle, as we can see that it has reached the resistance at this time, and what can be the next target for the TRX. I've also already shared these targets at the Patreon as well, and if you would like to support me there, then I've also shared the link in the video's description to join me at the Patreon. You can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this move, and this is the Bitcoin chart, by the way, and this is the TRX chart, and we can see that we had a quite firm correlation between the price action, the movement of the price action of both coins. For example, whenever the Bitcoin was moving up, the TRX was moving up, and when the Bitcoin was moving down, the TRX was following the move of the Bitcoin. Okay, yesterday we have seen that the price action of TRX has moved and behaved differently with the Bitcoin. For example, yesterday we had the sell in the Bitcoin, but here, if you watch the TRX, we had a nice buying in the yesterday's candlestick. Therefore, we can expect that maybe if, for example, if the Bitcoin will be still moving down, it will behave differently and it will break out this resistance of the triangle, because at the same time it has also completed the bullish reversal patterns. Now at this time, we can see that the price action of TRX has found a recent support here, and we have the several touches here we can see. And if we place this trend line at the Bitcoin chart here, then we can see that it has found this support from this candlestick up to here, and we can see that the price action has broken down this support, this uptrend line support. But here, for example, if the TRX will be moved down, then we still have a capacity for the price action to move down, and that will be approximately, if it will hit here, that will be approximately at let me show you, that will be approximately at 7 cents or 6.9 cents we can expect. And then if the price action will break down this support, then we can expect that the price action will move more down. Otherwise, it can have a bounce from here. Now, if we take a look at this symmetrical, descending triangle here, then we can see that we have so many touches at the resistance, and here the price action has found a strong resistance and also found a strong support, and it has tested the support so many times here, like here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and here we have touches 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. And now the price action, after getting rejected, for example, if we take a look at here, then the price action after getting bounced did not hit here, moved down, did not hit the support, and moved to the upside, and likely to have a rejection at this time by this resistance. However, it is also possible that it will break out this resistance, because we can see that we had a powerful spike beyond this resistance. But it can be also possible that it will be a spike like this. We had a powerful spike here and on the next candlestick, but eventually the price action moved down at this support. Therefore, it is also possible that the price action will be rejected from here, and while moving down, first it will retest this support, the uptrend line support. Let me copy this trend line from here, and I'm just going to place this trend line on this chart. Now you can see first here it can retest this support here somewhere close to 7 cents, and then if it will break down this support, then it can move down to this support of the descending triangle that is approximately at 6.7 cents, and from here we can expect another bounce. However, if today's candlestick will be closed above this resistance, then we can expect that it can go for the breakout in that situation. Now, if we place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this triangle, then we can see that the price action has found a trader's interest up to this level, to the upside. For example, if I place this trend line here, then it will be more clear for us to understand it. To the upside, we have the trader's interest up to here, and to the downside we have the trader's interest up to this level. And this is the point of control of the volume profile. You can see that it has reached very close to this resistance of the triangle, the descending triangle. Therefore, we can expect that the price action, if the price action will be moved more down, for example, after this rejection, if it will be moved more down, then this is the area where we have a very weak interest of the traders. You can watch here, and the price action can be reversed to the upside from here. And to the upside, we have the traders' interest up to this level. Therefore, a breakout is possible. But for this, we can also watch the move, the harmonic move that the TRX has formed with the Bitcoin pair and with the US dollar pair as well. Yesterday, I shared a shark move, which is a harmonic bullish reversal pattern. And the TRX formed this move against the Bitcoin. And this was a chart that I shared at the Patreon. And we can see that the price action just entered in this buying zone up to this level. And the buying zone starts from 180 Satoshis and ends up to 171.0000171 BTC. And the sell targets could be 189 to 209. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action, I was expecting that it will give us another chance to catch it from here, because at this time it was moving here when I shared this chart yesterday. We can see that it has turned even more bullish, even though we have a quite strong selling in overall the cryptocurrency market, especially the Bitcoin today and yesterday as well. But the TRX is behaving differently, and it is moving to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the US dollar pair, and then this was the chart that I shared at the Patreon, and you can see that this was the bullish Gartley pattern I shared on 21st of May. Even at that time, we had a really very strong sell on 19th of May to 21st of May. We also had a very good support of 100 simple moving average on the 2-day chart. The previous pattern that we are looking at is on daily time frame chart, that is the bullish shark with the Bitcoin pair and the TRX with the US dollar pair. This bullish Gartley pattern chart is formed on the 2-day chart. Now here we can see that the price action had a very nice support of 100 simple moving average. The buying zone starts from 9.2 cents and ends up to 6.8 cents. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action is still moving at the very end of this buying zone. Therefore, this trade is quite low risk trade, because this is our stop loss 6.8 cents. If it will be broken down, then we can consider that our stop loss has been triggered and we can exit from the trade. However, if the price action will hit the sell targets, these are the Fibonacci sequence, the sell targets defined as per Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley, then we can gain or earn the maximum profits. Like the maximum sell is, the maximum target for this selling range is 15.61, and the minimum target is 11.10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, and you will also find a lot more other trading ideas here I am sharing on the daily basis. You can find the link in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.